Faculty of Letters and Languages. When you enter Faculty of Letters and Languages, to your right, there is a wall magazine created by the elite students, or what we call the English Literature Study Program students. And on there are a lot of works, arts created by the students of English Literature Study Program. And after you enter the Faculty of Letters and Languages, you can see the room of Culture Corner, where the students usually play band. And the next is the self-access room, where students hang out and do their homework and discuss their subjects. And all along the wall inside the Faculty of Letters and Languages, you will often find some pictures from the previous events in Faculty of Letters and Languages. There are a lot of rooms here, including the secretary room and the faculty room, which all the lecturers are stayed and waited for their lecture. And also there is a mini library for the students to access so that they can gain more knowledge. In Faculty of Letters and Languages, there is also the Center of Language Service, so you can call it PPB. And also along the walls you can find some of the certificate given to the Faculty of Letters and Languages. And also some accreditation. There are a lot of arts and works created by the students of Literature and Study Program. Along the walls, they look so beautiful. And there are, of course, the Dean Room. And next to it, there is a Language Laboratory Room, which the students can access to use the computers to do their homework and to learn a lot of lessons. And here are the activity inside the Faculty of Letters and Languages. There are the students and a lecturer. And this is the lab of Mandarin study program. Next is the Faculty of Teachers and Science. On your right, you will see the structure of the organization and some posters. And along the walls, you can see there are a lot of wall magazines created by the students of the Faculty of Teachers and Science. There are 3 study programs from this faculty: chemistry, physics, mathematics, and biology, therefore. Here are some of the arts and works of the students of Teachers and Education Study Program. This is the biology students' arts. And there are the lecturers' room next to it. And the next one is the Faculty of Economy and Business. In this faculty, there are 2 study programs. There is Management and Accountant. Accountancy. And to your right, you can see this is the structure of the organization inside the Faculty of economy and business. There is a room for students to study and do their homeworks, and there is the executive room for meetings and such. And as you can see here, this is the computer laboratory room where students can access networks and do their homeworks and study inside that room. And this is the activity of the students here. They are currently doing a test. And then this is what it looks like in the inside of one of the rooms that they use to study in the faculty. This is of course the toilet, and it looks very clean and hygiene. What are you waiting, folks? Come and join us in University of Kristen, Indonesia.